Hi guys, welcome to Sciencology123 YouTube channel. This channel is designed to help students for better understanding on IGCSE as well as SPM biology, chemistry and physics. We will begin our journey by doing the revision series. Today, I would like to revise biology on the topics of inheritance. If you like my video, please continue to support by subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you! When we learn about the inheritance chapter, it is important to understand the terminology used in this chapter. Today, I would like to revise on the terminology, which always can be seen in the exam question. The terminology are gene, allele, dominant allele, recessive allele, genotype, phenotype, homozygote or homozygous, and heterozygote or heterozygous. Questions such as the definition of this terminology can be seen frequently in the past year question. Gene defined as a length of DNA that code for protein. Allele is the alternative form of gene. There are two types of allele, which are dominant allele and recessive allele. Dominant allele defined as the allele that is expressed if it is present. It is usually represented by using uppercase letter. Recessive allele defined as the allele that is only expressed when there is no dominant allele of the gene present, and it is usually represented by using lowercase letter. Genotype is the genetic makeup of an organism in terms of the allele present. It is usually represented by using alphabet letter, for example, T. Remember that the allele must always present in pair. Phenotype is the physical or features of an organism due to the genotype and its environment. It is usually represented by using descriptive words such as tall, short, black hair, brown hair, normal, or having disease. Homozygote or homozygous defined as having two identical alleles of a particular gene, which it can be either both uppercase letter T or lowercase letter t. Heterozygote or heterozygous means having two different alleles of a gene, which it has to be both uppercase and lowercase letter. For example, uppercase letter T and lowercase letter t. Now, you may pause the video for a few minutes to review back the terminology that we have learned. Now, let us try this question. Let uppercase letter B represent the allele for black hair and let lowercase letter b represent the allele for brown hair. Now, which allele is dominant and which allele is recessive? As mentioned earlier, dominant allele is usually represented by using uppercase letter and recessive allele is represented by using lowercase letter. So, the dominant allele is uppercase letter B, which is black hair, and recessive allele is lowercase letter b, which is brown hair. Did you manage to get the correct answer? Well done! Now, let us try another question. Daniel has black hair with the allele in pair of uppercase letter B for both, whereby John has brown hair with the allele in pair of lowercase letter b for both. Now, what is the genotype of John's hair? What is the phenotype of Daniel's hair? Genotype is the genetic makeup in terms of allele. So, the answer is lowercase letter b for both. Phenotype is the physical features that can be observed. So, the answer for phenotype is black hair. Now, both Daniel and John are having black hair, but they have different genetic makeup. Both uppercase letter B for Daniel and one uppercase letter B and one lowercase letter b for John. So, who is having homozygous allele and who is having heterozygous allele? Homozygous means they are having two identical allele, and heterozygous means having two different allele. So, Daniel is having the homozygous allele, whereby John is having the heterozygous allele. Homozygous can be divided into two categories, which are homozygous dominant and homozygous recessive. Homozygous dominant means they are having identical dominant allele, for example, uppercase letter B for both. Homozygous recessive means they are having identical recessive allele, for example, lowercase letter b for both. However, for heterozygous, since they are having two different alleles, so the only option is one uppercase letter b and one lowercase letter b. Now, end of the video. Thank you for watching my first video. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that I can continue to share more knowledge with all of you. Feel free to ask questions or comment at the comment box below. Stay tuned for my next video. See you guys soon. Bye.